If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making RADHA BALLAVA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take about quarter cup of urad dal and soak that in some water for roughly about 3 to 4 hours. Then discard the water and with some fresh water blend to make a thick paste. Then take some cloves and 1 black cardamom and make a powder of it, from which we need about a tablespoon of that. Then 1 cup of refined flour or maida, a quarter cup of clarified butter or ghee, a quarter teaspoon of asafoetida or hing, a quarter cup of sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt. Now in a pan, add half of the ghee followed by all the hing, the clove and cardamom powder, half of the salt, all the sugar and the urad dal paste. Now over medium flame, we need to cook this until all the moisture is almost gone and it should be like a sticky dough. Then switch off the flame and let it cool down. And in the meantime, in a bowl, take all the maida, half of the salt, half of the ghee along with 1/3 cup of water. Now combine all of these and knead to make a dough and let it rest for at least 10 minutes. Then after that, take a small portion like this and shape it like a ball first. Then make a cup out of it and fill it with the urad dal mixture, just a small amount. Then properly seal it and on a flat surface sprinkle some flour and roll it with the help of a rolling pin to make a puri, just like this. And now we will fry these. So for that, take lots of oil or ghee in a pan and set the flame on high and add them one at a time. And we need to fry these until they are golden in color, and it should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, RADHA BALLAVA. So do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.